In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics for Instagram. We'll build a simple, focused report in Google Analytics that shows how traffic from Instagram behaves on your site, including which landing pages visitors hit and how engaged they are. Make sure you're signed into your Google Analytics account and using a GA4 property. First, open your Google Analytics account and head to the Explore section on the left. Explore is where you can create custom ad hoc analyses without altering your standard reports. Choose blank to start fresh with a clean canvas. Give your exploration a clear name so you can find it later. Something like Instagram works great. Now we'll bring in the building blocks for the report. In the Variables panel, click the plus icon next to Dimensions. Use the search bar to find session source, then select it. Do the same for landing page. When both are selected, click Import. These will let us break down Instagram traffic by where it came from and the first page people saw. Next, click the plus icon next to Metrics. Search for and select engaged sessions, engagement rate, and sessions. These will measure your traffic volume and the quality of that traffic. Then search for average engagement and select the average engagement metric. Also search for key events and include that metric too, so you can see important actions taken by users. Click Import to bring all of these into the exploration. Time to assemble the table. In the Tab Settings panel, under Rows, add Session Source and Landing Page. This sets up your table to group data by where the session originated and which page visitors landed on. Under Values, add the metrics you just imported: sessions, engaged sessions, engagement rate, average engagement, and key events. You should now see a table preview forming on the right. Let's focus it on Instagram. In Filters, add a filter where session source contains Instagram.com, then apply it. This ensures you're only viewing sessions that originated from Instagram. If your traffic sometimes routes through different Instagram sources, using Contains helps capture them without overcomplicating the setup. You now have a clear Instagram-only view: which landing pages are attracting visits from Instagram, how many sessions you're getting, how many of those are engaged, your engagement rate, average engagement, and the count of key events. Use this to spot top-performing pages, identify content that drives deeper engagement, and verify that your Instagram efforts are bringing the right audience to the right pages. When you're done, your exploration is saved automatically, so you can revisit and refine it anytime.